Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kansas City, local and long-distance movers near me. Through our carefully drafted plans and cost-effective strategies, we provide reliable, safe, and customized long-distance solutions. Furthermore, our licensed operations will ensure that your property won't be delayed unnecessarily because of the absence of authorizations. We know that we do the best, and if you need any paperwork, we guarantee that we have specially packaged moving experience. Additionally, our well-trained staff and latest trucks are readily available at your service. Our specialists have a worldwide experience, so relax if you want to move overseas. Don't mess up your moving experience by acting alone. It would help if you have us provide workable solutions. It is also advisable to engage 3 movers to develop simplified plans that won't eat up much of your budget. Would you please sit back and let our Kansas movers handle your move? You need to oversee other engagements and handle other pressing issues. We provide all handling services, including loading, packing, unloading, and unpacking. If you need storage, furniture disassembly, and assembly, we have experts for that. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kansas City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.